Many insects have been in the garden landscape in a state of dormancy throughout the winter. They've been protected by bark, rocks, leaf litter. Sometimes they've been overwintering in our houses as adults. Insects are ectotherms, which means they are essentially cold-blooded and they rely on the heat from the environment to warm them up and allow them to be active. Now that spring has sprung, we are getting warmer temperatures and longer daylight hours, and that stimulates the emergence of the adults to wake up and become active. Many insects have spent their time this winter in the garden landscape in a state of dormancy, so they haven't been moving and they haven't been eating. Insects are ectotherms or cold-blooded, which means they cannot make their own heat, and they rely on the temperatures in the environment to survive. During the winter, they are hiding. As adults, they can be protected under bark, in leaf litter, under rocks, and sometimes they overwinter in our homes, like those fall invaders. And as we wait for spring and all our plants to grow, we have to remember that as they grow, that's food for some of our insects. So good or bad, they will be coming out. So you want to monitor those plants on a weekly basis, because when they find that food, they'll start eating. And you want to make sure that your plants grow healthy and you have a great gardening season.